Hello and welcome to this video on variables and data types in Python. In Python, a variable is a container that stores a value. You can think of it as a label that you attach to a value. For example, let's say we want to store the number 5 in a variable. We can do this by writing x equals 5. Here, we've created a variable called x and assigned it the value 5. We can then use this variable in our code to refer to the value 5. Now, let's talk about data types. In Python, there are several built-in data types that you can use to represent different kinds of data. Some of the most common data types include integers. These are whole numbers like 1, 2, and 3. Floats. These are numbers with decimal points like 1.5 or 3.14. Strings. These are sequences of characters like hello or world. Booleans. These represent the values true and false. You can use the type function to find out the data type of a variable. For example, x equals 5. Print. This will print because x is an integer. That's it for this video on variables and data types in Python. Thanks for watching.